Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today let's learn about Instagram application, and I will let to guide you the way how we can get the Flipside feature on our Instagram. Open your Instagram right away. Now if you see on the other account, they will have a key icon on this bottom side right here, the key icon. Even in the home page or on your profile, there could be a key to access your Flipside. But then if you cannot find those key on the screen, don't get panic. You just need to stay calm. You can just open your app store, and then you just need to update your Instagram. Make sure that you already upgraded into the newest version. So open the app store. How to check it? Just go type into the search and type Instagram right away. Go click search, and if you haven't updated yet, there will be update like this one options or button here. But if you already updated, there will be open. Just go there. Now again, make sure that you already update your application into the newest versions. Right after that, click this three straight lines, go click settings and privacy, and then you just need to scroll all the way down, and you just need to go click a help, or help. Just tap it, and now we just need to go click report a problem and click report problem with it shaking, and you just need to go click don't include and continue. Now you just need to type what you want to report. I can't find Flipside feature on my account. Right after that, you just need to go click send. Now you just need to wait until the Instagram fix it for you. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.